Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Thursday evening, June 5th, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of business and corporate news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline. Copper Property CTL Pass-Through Trust Issues. Monthly Reporting Package for May 2025. Copper Property CTL Pass-Through Trust has filed its monthly report for May 2025 with a total distribution of $27.6 million, or $36798 per trust certificate, to be paid on June 10, 2025. Certificate holders of record as of June 9, 2025, will receive the payment. The trust, established to acquire retail properties from J.C. Penney, is managed by Glass Trust Company, LLC, and Hilco Real Estate, LLC. The trust's objective is to sell the properties promptly. Forward-looking statements in the trust's filings with the SEC caution about potential risks and uncertainties. For more information, visit the trust's website.
A. Michael Smith joins Peapack Private Bank Trust as SVP, Chief Audit Executive. A. Michael Smith has been appointed as Senior Vice President, Chief Audit Executive at Peapack Private Bank Trust. With over 30 years of experience in auditing, risk management, and technology, Smith will lead the bank's internal audit function and drive strategic initiatives for growth. Previously serving as Chief Audit Executive at NASDAQ, Smith is known for his expertise in leveraging advanced technologies for managing high-volume transactions. He has also held senior leadership roles at PwC and Deloitte & Touch. Smith is the author of Internal Audit of the Future: The Impact of Technology Innovation, and holds a U.S. patent for auditing crypto assets. Peapack Gladstone Financial Corporation, the parent company, offers comprehensive wealth management, investment banking, and banking solutions. Visit wpeapackprivate.com for more information. Car Garage Expert, Dubai's trusted name in Mini Cooper servicing and complete car repair solutions. Car Garage Expert, a premier automotive service provider in Dubai, proudly announces its specialized Mini Cooper Service Dubai, offering expert maintenance and repair solutions tailored specifically for Mini Cooper vehicles. The garage also provides comprehensive car repair services for all makes and models, known for excellence, transparency, and customer satisfaction. With expert mechanics and state-of-the-art facilities, Car Garage Expert offers dealership-quality service with a personal touch, ensuring each vehicle receives precise, high-quality care. CEO Mian Mohammed Fahad Malik emphasizes the team's experience in handling everything from software diagnostics to engine and suspension work, delivering results that meet or exceed dealership standards.
Tiny Gems breaks. Calidi Biotherapeutics, Inc., NYSE American, CI, unveils promising data on CLD-401 at ASCO 2025. Calidi Biotherapeutics, Inc. unveiled promising new data on its lead RedTail platform candidate, CLD-401, at the American Society of Clinical Oncology annual meeting. The company has demonstrated pioneering efforts in developing an enveloped form of its proprietary oncolytic virus, significantly more resistant to immune clearance. New data presented at the meeting show a genetic modification incorporating a chimeric CD55 receptor into the envelope, enhancing the virus's resistance to rapid clearance by the immune system. Calidi Biotherapeutics is a clinical-stage immuno-oncology company focused on developing targeted immunotherapies with the RedTail platform, designed for systemic delivery and targeting of metastatic sites. For more information, visit Calidi Biotherapeutics' website.
NEA promotes Madison, Faulkner, and Mustafa Neemuchwala to partner. Global venture capital firm New Enterprise Associates, Inc., has promoted technology investors Madison Faulkner and Mustafa Neemuchwala to partner. Faulkner, based in NEA's Menlo Park office, focuses on early-stage investments in data, infrastructure, developer tools, and AI. Neemuchwala invests in AI, cybersecurity, and infrastructure across all stages and is based in the firm's New York office. NEA partner Rick Yang praised their contributions and expertise, highlighting their impact on the firm's technology investing practice. Faulkner, who joined NEA in 2024, serves as a board director for several companies and has a background in data science at Facebook. Neemuchwala, who joined NEA in 2021, has experience in technology M&A transactions and a diverse educational background. NEA has also welcomed Hui Cheng as a principal on the healthcare team and appointed several senior associates. NEA is known for its long track record of investing in technology and healthcare companies at all stages of their life cycle. Unlocking Success, a step-by-step guide to growing your small business online. Small businesses looking to establish and grow their online presence can now access a new step-by-step guide titled User-Based Growth, a step-by-step guide for small businesses online. This comprehensive resource offers strategies for creating engaging websites, optimizing for search engines, and utilizing social media platforms to connect with potential customers. With 70% of consumers making online purchases in the past year, the guide emphasizes the importance of content marketing, customer engagement, and analytics to track progress. According to Emily Tran, Director of Business Development at Small Business Solutions, this guide empowers entrepreneurs to leverage online tools effectively and reach a global audience. For those ready to embrace the digital landscape, the guide is available for download on the Small Business Solutions website.
Unlocking online growth, essential practices for businesses. In today's digital age, establishing and enhancing an online presence has become crucial for businesses aiming for growth and sustainability. According to a recent study by the Digital Marketing Institute, companies with a strong online presence are likely to see a 70% higher return on investment in their marketing efforts compared to those that do not capitalize on digital platforms. To assist businesses in strengthening their digital footprint, industry leaders are advocating for the adoption of best online practices. These practices include optimizing websites for mobile users, leveraging social media platforms for engagement, and utilizing data analytics to track performance and customer preferences. Additionally, content marketing and search engine optimization (SEO) are keys to increasing visibility and attracting a larger audience. By prioritizing these online strategies, businesses can effectively navigate the evolving digital landscape and reach their growth objectives.
Ballard Custom Homes expands to Vero Beach with new office. Ballard Custom Homes has expanded to Vero Beach, Florida with the opening of a new office. Known for their commitment to outstanding craftsmanship and exceptional custom design, Ballard Custom Homes aims to enhance luxury home construction services in the area. With over 3 decades of experience, the company creates distinctive homes tailored to their clients' preferences. The decision to open in Vero Beach was influenced by the area's growth and demand for luxury homes. The new office is located at 601 21st Street, Suite 300, offering personalized services and consultations. Ballard Custom Homes looks forward to collaborating with local businesses and residents to create beautiful homes that harmonize with the natural landscape. LNA and 5 partners recognized for patent practice in 2025. IM Patent 1000, the world's leading patent professionals, Lando and Anastasi, LLP, LNA, has been ranked among the world's leading patent professionals in the 2025 IM Patent 1000. The publication praised LNA for their client service and exceptional rigor in patent law. LNA is one of the few firms recognized for excellence in all 3 patent practice areas: transactions, prosecution, and litigation. Additionally, 5 firm partners were named for their outstanding patent practices. John N. Anastasi, Peter C. Lando, Keith F. No, Craig R. Smith, and Thomas M. Sullivan were all recognized for their expertise in various aspects of patent law. IM Patent 1000 is a trusted source for IP news and analysis, selecting only those with exceptional skill sets and insights into patent matters. LNA partners with clients to protect their innovations through sophisticated IP strategies across various industries. Green energy breaks. Foremost Clean Energy Ltd, NASDAQ FMST, secures 3-year exploration permit for Murphy Lake South Uranium Project. Foremost Clean Energy Ltd has secured a 3-year exploration permit for its Murphy Lake South property in the Athabasca Basin. The permit allows for geochemical surveys, geophysics, and drilling of up to 30 holes, valid through December 31, 2027. The company is gearing up for a fully funded summer drill program, targeting areas near the high-grade Hurricane deposit. CEO Jason Barnard highlighted promising indicators of discovery potential. Foremost Clean Energy is positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for uranium through strategic exploration in a top jurisdiction. For more information, visit foremostcleanenergy.com.
Green Car News Breaks. Mullen Automotive Inc., MULN, EVs now eligible for up to $15,000 in Illinois incentives through ComEd program. Mullen Automotive Inc., NELN, has announced that its commercial electric vehicles are now eligible for up to $15,000 in incentives through Illinois' ComEd Business and Public Sector EV Rebate Program. Businesses purchasing Mullen vehicles through Pritchard EV or Range Truck Group may qualify for up to $7,500 per Mullen 1 Class 1 cargo van, with total savings reaching $15,000 when combined with federal tax credits. Medium-duty EVs may qualify for rebates up to $30,000, though those applications are currently waitlisted due to high demand. The ComEd program joins existing state-level incentives in California and Massachusetts, further expanding cost-saving options for fleet electrification. Mining News Breaks. Ucore Rare Metals Inc., UTU, UUAF, closes oversubscribed private placement for Strategic Metals Complex Development. Ucore Rare Metals has closed an oversubscribed brokered private placement, raising funds for its Strategic Metals Complex Development in Louisiana. Each unit includes 1 common share and 1/2 of a warrant, with net proceeds supporting key initiatives such as feedstock agreements and engineering progress. The agent's option could increase total gross proceeds to $11.5 million. Ucore aims to disrupt China's control of the North American RE supply chain through its advanced technology solutions. The company plans to establish processing facilities in the U.S., Canada, and Alaska, as well as develop its Boken-Dotson Ridge Rare Heavy RE project in Alaska. Ucore is listed on the TSXV and OTCQX markets under the tickers UCU and UURF, respectively.
Glover Lawrence joins CETA Experts as Managing Director. Glover Lawrence, a senior strategy and corporate development executive with over 30 years of experience, has joined CETA Experts as Managing Director. With a background in leading transformational M&A and strategic initiatives in the technology and software sectors, Lawrence brings valuable expertise to the firm. His extensive experience in executing over 75 transactions totaling more than $17 billion will enhance CETA's ability to support clients in high-stakes mergers and acquisitions, private equity, and corporate finance disputes. Prior to joining CETA, Lawrence served as head of corporate development for Aspen Tech and Avid Technology, playing a key role in driving revenue growth and market capitalization expansion. His areas of expertise include acquisition strategy, valuation analysis, board governance, fiduciary duties, fairness opinions, post-merger integration, and cross-border deal execution. With a BA in history from Yale University and an MBA from Stanford Graduate School of Business, Lawrence is well equipped to provide strategic growth and corporate development advice to technology companies and private equity firms. CETA Experts LLC is a leading expert witness firm specializing in financial services, offering expertise across the financial industry to law firms, regulators, and financial institutions. Knight Food Holdings, Inc., NGTF, taps proven leaders to accelerate hospitality innovation. Knight Food Holdings, Inc. has appointed new executives with strong track records in various sectors to drive innovation and growth. The company aims to leverage their expertise to expand its portfolio of hospitality-focused services. Research shows that companies with effective executive teams are nearly twice as likely to achieve above-average profitability. This move by Knight Food Holdings highlights the importance of experienced leadership in driving success in dynamic industries. Investors can find more updates on NGTF in the company's newsroom. Tech Media Wire is a communications platform focused on technology companies, providing access to a wide network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communications solutions for public and private companies. SmartTruck HD appoints Jeff Engel to lead business development. SmartTruck HD LLC has appointed Jeff Engel as the Director of Business Development. With almost 2 decades of experience in SaaS sales, Engel will focus on strengthening current business relationships and exploring new opportunities for SmartTruck HD products and services. President and CEO Mark Regan is excited about Engel's expertise in video telematics and fleet management, which has helped large fleets improve safety and efficiency. Engel's addition is expected to drive innovation and value for partners and customers. SmartTruck HD, established in 2020, specializes in smart vehicle telematics solutions for safety, contamination detection, maintenance, and routing. For more information, visit www.smartruckhd.com. Melissa McDonnell retires after 25 years of leading Liberty Mutual Insurance's philanthropic programs. Melissa McDonnell, founder and president of the Liberty Mutual Foundation and senior vice president of community investments, will retire in October 2025 after 25 years of leading Liberty Mutual Insurance's philanthropic programs. Under her leadership, Liberty Mutual and its employees have contributed nearly $1 billion to nonprofit organizations. McDonnell's innovative programs and community engagement efforts have earned recognition, including being the only property and casualty insurer on the Civic 50 for 5 consecutive years. Her successor, Frances Hyatt, will assume the role of Chief Community Investments and Sustainability Officer, bringing over 30 years of experience to the position. A new president of the Liberty Mutual Foundation will be announced in the future to continue fostering resilience and security within vulnerable communities. Thea Analytics Group appoints Stephen Baker as Strategic Growth Advisor. Thea Analytics Group has appointed Stephen Baker as a Strategic Growth Advisor. With over 25 years of experience in global data and analytics businesses, Stephen will support Thea's growth in the asset management and hedge fund sectors. His previous roles include Chief Revenue Officer at Cormont LLP and Global Head of Sales for ICE Data Services. Stephen will work closely with Thea's leadership team to expand the company's reach, focusing on global asset managers. Thea's flagship platform, Regulatory Risk Ranks, RRX, uses AI to transform qualitative governance data into decision-ready intelligence, with over 30 patents protecting the platform. Learn more about Thea Analytics Group at their website. Rock Breaks, Ucore Rare Metals Inc., OCU, OTCQX, UURF, closes oversubscribed private placement for strategic metals complex development. Ucore Rare Metals UCU has closed an oversubscribed brokered private placement to fund key initiatives which plan strategic metals complex in Louisiana. The units, priced at $1.20 each, include 1 common share and 1/2 of a warrant exercisable at $1.75 for 36 months. Proceeds will support feedstock agreements, U.S. Department of Defense commitments, and engineering progress. The agent's option could increase total gross proceeds to $11.5 million pending TSX Venture Exchange approval. Ucore aims to disrupt China's control of the North American REE supply chain through its advanced technology solutions.
Alpha Modus appoints Tim Matthews as head of deployment strategy. Alpha Modus Holdings has appointed Tim Matthews as head of deployment strategy. Matthews, a seasoned marketing executive with experience in fintech and digital product launches, will spearhead the rollout of Alpha Modus's CashX Smart Kiosk Network. This network aims to digitize the retail cash experience and integrate with emerging crypto-enabled financial services. Matthews' track record in performance marketing and digital transformation will help meet the demand for CashX kiosks. He will report directly to the company's C-suite, and his compensation includes base pay, equity incentives, and profit sharing from CashX sales. For more information, visit Alpha Modus's press room.
The ultra-wealthy are opting for Singapore for safe storage of their gold. Singapore has become a top choice for the ultra-wealthy looking to securely store their gold amidst global uncertainty. The Reserve, a vaulting facility near Singapore Changi Airport, has attracted significant attention. Tor Metals Inc., TSX.V, is one entity utilizing this facility. For more information on Tor Metals Inc., visit their newsroom. Mining Newswire is a specialized platform focusing on global mining and resources sectors, offering access to a wide network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communication services. Stay informed by visiting miningnewswire.com.
Increasing affordability is accelerating global EV uptake. Electric vehicle adoption is accelerating globally thanks to the growing affordability of electric cars. A recent International Energy Agency report found that, despite challenges in the auto industry, electric vehicle sales are on the rise. This positive outlook presents an opportunity for companies like Massimo Group Nasdaq Memo to increase their presence in the EV market. Green Car Stocks, a platform focusing on EVs and green energy, provides access to a wide network for companies looking to reach investors, consumers, and the public. Biomed news breaks. Sinai Immunotherapeutics Nasdaq SCNI receives Italian clearance for option to acquire biotech firm Pincell. Sinai Immunotherapeutics Ltd., listed on Nasdaq under the ticker symbol SCNI, has received regulatory clearance in Italy to move forward with its option to acquire 100% of Pincell SRL, an Italian biotech company. This approval, granted by Italy's Coordination Group and Ministry of Health, aligns with Sinai's strategy to expand its inflammation and immunology pipeline. Pincell's lead asset, PC111, a monoclonal antibody targeting the FAS-FASL pathway, has orphan drug designation in pemphigus and is being developed for severe skin disorders. The acquisition is pending final conditions, including a €12 million grant decision expected this summer.
Makita Investment Group welcomes new shareholder. Makita Investment Group has welcomed a new shareholder, Matt Curran, recognizing his contributions to the firm's research and consulting work. With over 70 shareholders, Makita continues to grow. Curran, a research consultant, plays a key role in evaluating equity investment managers. His promotion reflects Makita's values of growth and culture. According to Peter Woolley, managing principal and co-CEO, Curran's elevation reinforces the firm's commitment to supporting resources and employee development. Haley Tran, head of global equity research, praised Curran's dedication and insight, highlighting his role in strengthening client portfolios. Makita remains dedicated to providing independent advice and customized investment solutions for institutional investors.
B. Riley Securities appoints Eric Doby as Senior Managing Director. B. Riley Securities, Inc. has appointed Eric Doby as a Senior Managing Director in its real estate investment banking group. With 25 years of experience in the industry, Mr. Doby brings expertise in capital markets and strategic advisory services, having completed over $40 billion in real estate transactions. His addition highlights the firm's commitment to investing in senior talent with deep relationships. BRS co-CEO Jimmy Baker expressed excitement about Eric's track record and ability to deliver value to clients. Prior to joining BRS, Mr. Doby led the real estate investment banking effort at Wedbush Securities and held senior roles at BMO Capital Markets and Deutsche Bank. He holds an undergraduate degree from Tufts University and an MBA from Columbia Business School. For more information about B. Riley Securities, visit their website.
Nutraband Inc., Nasdaq NTRB, advances abuse-deterrent buprenorphine therapy with Aversa technology. Nutraband Inc., listed on Nasdaq as NTRB, is making strides in advancing abuse-deterrent buprenorphine therapy with its Aversa technology. The company is developing a transdermal delivery system for buprenorphine expected to generate annual sales of $70 million to $130 million. With the opioid epidemic still a major public health crisis, Nutraband aims to revolutionize opioid-based treatments by utilizing its Aversa technology for safer administration and protection against misuse. Buprenorphine, approved by the FDA to treat opioid use disorder, is the next focus for Aversa, offering a safer alternative to full opioid agonists. To stay updated on NTRB news, investors can visit the company's newsroom online. Investor news breaks. Telomere Pharmaceuticals, Nasdaq Co., reports preclinical breakthrough in age reversal model with Telomere 1. Telomere Pharmaceuticals, trading on the Nasdaq under the symbol TELO, has reported a significant breakthrough in age reversal research. Their lead candidate, Telomere 1, has shown promising results in a zebrafish model of Werner syndrome, a condition that accelerates aging. The compound extended telomere length by threefold, restored muscle mass and body weight, reduced oxidative stress, and reversed age-related DNA methylation loss. CEO Erez Aminov hailed these findings as a potential milestone in aging science, underscoring the company's dedication to advancing Telomere 1 towards human clinical trials. Telomere Pharmaceuticals aims to lead in longevity science for humans and animals, with a focus on developing Telomere 1 to promote longevity and enhance quality of life. For more information, visit Telomere Pharmaceuticals' website at telodx.com. Mining news breaks. Aston Bay Holdings Limited, SXVBI, ATBHF, reports promising copper targets at Epworth Project in Nunavut. Aston Bay Holdings Limited has reported promising copper targets at the Epworth Project in Nunavut, with surface samples showing copper grades up to 61.2% and silver up to 5,600 grams per ton. The company's exploration program identified extensive conductive bodies within the Proterozoic recluse group rocks, supporting the potential for a large-scale copper system. CEO Thomas Ulrich mentioned similarities to successful models in Central Africa. Targets cover tens of kilometers and are close to the surface, with drilling being considered for later this season. Aston Bay is a mineral exploration company focusing on high-grade copper and gold deposits in Virginia, USA, and Nunavut, Canada. For more information, visit Aston Bay's website.
Advent International appoints Seth Farbman as Marketing Operations Advisor. Advent International has appointed Seth Farbman as an operations advisor focused on marketing. Farbman, a seasoned marketing leader, will work closely with Advent's portfolio support group and leadership teams to develop product, brand, and marketing strategies. His expertise in driving category creation and shaping brand strategies will help portfolio companies achieve their full potential. With experience at Spotify and Gap Inc., Farbman brings a wealth of knowledge to the role. He is excited to share his experiences with Advent's portfolio companies and help them see new possibilities for their businesses. Farbman has also advised high-growth technology companies like Coinbase and Peloton, and currently serves as an executive fellow at Yale University's School of Management. Advent International, a global private equity investor, is committed to transforming businesses and has made 430 investments across 44 countries since 1984.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.